students, so today we'll be doing question number 15. 14 will be homework. Okay, you do by yourself. It is quite easy. So now in this question also we have to find out the area of the shaded region. Now here what we have to do is, you can see that this is a triangle and this is a quadrant, and again this is above that. Okay, so what we can do is we will find out the area of the triangle, then area of the quadrant or sector also you can use. Then we can subtract the area of the sector or the quadrant and the triangle, so we'll get this portion. I'm writing 1 and 2 so to differentiate. Okay, then what we can do is we'll find out the area of this semicircle, okay, with BC as diameter, right? So if we find out the area of the semicircle and subtract this portion, then we'll get, that is 1. Okay, that is area of 1, figure 1. Then we can find out the area of the shaded region, right? So at first what we'll do, area of triangle we'll find out. Okay, so area of triangle ABC will be how much? Half into base into height. That is, base also is 14, height also is 14, isn't it? So 14 into 14. So 2 times 7, 17, 7 14 sir is 98 centimeter square. Okay, then now we'll find out the area of the sector or the quadrant also we can use. So area of quadrant ABC, again we can name that. That will be what? 1 by 4 pi, that is 22 by 7. Then the radius is again what is there? 14, right? So 14 into 14. So 7 times 2, 2 times 2, and 2 times 7. And this is 154 centimeter square. So as I told you, we will subtract this 2 so that we'll get the area of the figure 1. Okay, so I'm just differentiating to make us more understand. Area of figure 1 will be equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Okay, so that will be 154 minus 98. How much it will be? 14 minus 8 is 6, right? Then 14, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 56, I guess. Yes, 56 centimeter square. So area of figure 1 is 56 centimeter square. Now as I told you, we'll find out the area of the semicircle, but their little problem is that is, for the semicircle we do not know this diameter. This is the diameter, isn't it? So now in order to find this diameter, what we should do, we should use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we'll use Pythagoras theorem and find out the hypotenuse, right? Okay, now we'll take in triangle ABC using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square, that is BC square, will be equal to AB square plus AC square, right? So BC square is equal to AB and AC are 20. So 20, right? No, sorry, 14. So 14 square plus 14 square. So BC will be equal to square root of 196 plus 196. That is how much? 392. Okay. So BC is equal to, now 392 if we factorize, 2 times 1, 4, 196, and 196 is, we know, 14 square. So what we can write here is 14 into 14 into 2, right? So what we can take out? 14 root 2. Am I right? That is, the diameter is 14 root 2. Okay, this is the diameter of the semicircle. Diameter of semicircle, that is 14 root 2. Now we have to make it into radius. So what will be the radius? Radius will be equal to 14 root 2 by 2, that is 7 root 2. Now using this radius, again we need to find out the area of the semicircle. Then we'll subtract that area of the figure 1. Then we'll get the answer. Okay, let me write this first. So area of semicircle is half pi r square. So 1 by 2, 22 by 7, we got radius 7 root 2, isn't it? So 7 root 2, 7 root 2. So 7, 7 we can cancel. Then 2 times this one is 11. So what we are left with? Root 2 into root 2 is 2, right? 2 7s are 14. Then 14 11s are 14 1s are 14. 14 1s are 14 plus 1 is 15. 154 centimeter square. Now as I told you, area of shaded region will be equal to area of semicircle minus area of figure 1. Okay, so this is 154. And how much was figure 1? I guess how much it was? Area of figure 1, can you tell me how much it was? Area of figure 1, area of the quadrant will be, what's how much? Okay, so area of figure 1 is 56. So 154 minus 56 is 14 minus 6 is 8, and here 14, so 98 centimeters square. Okay, so done at last. So please practice. Okay, take care. Bye bye.